Samsung dryer model OBX DVG45T6020W error codes. Samsung's 7.5 cubic feet capacity dryers feature sensor dry and 10 preset drying cycles, so you can do fewer loads in less time. Error codes. Code. Do. Problem. Door open. Fix. Begin by cleaning the door switch lock to remove any lint or residue that is keeping it from closing properly. Use a bit of rubbing alcohol on a cotton swab to clean the connectors. They must make complete contact for the dryer to operate. Code. DF. Problem. Door circuit failure. Fix. Unplug the dryer and check for loose or damaged wiring connections in the door lock switch circuit. Reconnect the wires or replace the wires if they look burned or damaged. Code. Odd. Problem. Excessive drying time. Fix. Clean the moisture sensor inside the dryer drum with a bit of rubbing alcohol and a cotton swab. If you use dryer sheets, they coat the sensor with residue and extend drying time by tricking the sensor into thinking that moisture is still present. Code. FE. Problem. Problem with power supply. Fix. You can test the voltage the dryer is getting with a voltage meter. If the dryer is getting the 60 Hz power it requires, the electronic control board is faulty and must be replaced. This requires a professional. An electrician or your electrical power supplier should check the frequency of your electrical power supply when they come for the repair appointment. Code. TS or 2. Problem. Defective temperature sensor electrically shorted or electrically open. Fix. Unplug the dryer and use a volt-ohm meter to test the resistance of the temperature sensor or thermistor. If the resistance is more than 40,000 ohms, replace the thermistor. Code. He or he. Problem. Gas dryer heating error. Fix. Unplug the dryer and reconnect any loose wiring connections on the gas valve coils or replace the wire harness if damaged. Code. He or he. Problem. Electric dryer heating error. Fix. First, check the circuit breakers in your home's electrical box to see if they have tripped. Reset if they have tripped. Code. B. Problem. Stuck button on the control panel. Fix. Press all the buttons on the control panel to free the stuck button. If the stuck button cannot be freed, replace the user interface control. Code. ET. Problem. Control board failure. Fix. Start by unplugging the dryer for 5 minutes to reset the control board. If the code appears again after you restore power to the dryer, the electronic control board will need to be replaced.